Ito si Shika uli. Not this time. Palik! Just finds the right tempo.
Maganda yun yung adjustment kay siya on the side of Nasipit.
Timeout ulit tayo. Let's listen in. 3 points away na lang itong Marikina to getting this match. Ooh. Rebleza getting that
yes.
point.
Ito talaga kung mahina ang loob mo, lalo na sa ganitong klaseng laro na
Niegos was blocked at pumasok pa yun. Another point for Nasipit Lady Spikers.
you know, again, they can never be papaluin ng teammate mo na nasa labas may mag-out kapag na-block. Tingnan mo lahat sila, everybody, all 6 of them in front. Nasa harap ngayon. And Rebleza, yeah, showing that A-game face dito sa last set nila. And Onofre is back.
We're at match point already. Alex sends it back. That's
Espinosa. Yes, misreading that ball. At yung atake na yon ng Lady Shoemasters, utakan lang talaga Marikina to finish this match in their favor. At ang team captain pa nga ang nakapuntos in that last sequence.